this is our top of the line drone. This is the SJRC F11 Pro 4K. This drone's pretty amazing. I keep one to use myself. First of all, you get the nice solid case on it there, very good protection. So let's open it up and we'll see what we get with it. All right, we'll start up here in the zipper pouch. You can get this little box that contains the owner's manual. Now I'll tell you, I read through it and it is very helpful to have. Teaches you a lot of the different functions you can do with it, which is very plentiful. The thing has incredible range. You go incredibly high, incredibly far. You also get in here extra blades, of course, in case you're the type that likes to run into things. You've got some replacements. Obviously, I would not recommend running into anything, but it does happen on accident. All right, in here, of course, have the radio. This folds up. Once you take this little protective sticker off there, this actually has a spring-loaded expansion, extends out, so you can adjust it to whatever size phone you have. These come off, so you can control it. Also, you get those. If you want to hold on to them when you're flying, it's good. But they're also grooved in case you want to put your phone down there. I've done it in both places. I personally like it better up here, but I do see a lot of people do it down there. Either way is fine. And you get the drone. It folds up nice and compact, as you can see. Let's unfold it so you can really see it. Gotta rip these off here. Hang on. It's got these little protection things on there for the blades, but we can at least expand it so you can get an idea of the size of it. You can see this is a very good sized drone. I mean, look how big these props extend. That's nice drone, very nice drone. Underneath this is a protector, which I don't want to take off because that's taped, but that's got the 4K camera on it, which is adjustable using this little roller at the top of the radio. You can pan it up and down, and it also has another roller which allows you to actually zoom in, zoom out with it. So a lot of functionality with this thing. The battery, very easy to change. It just blends right into the body, as you can see, but 2 buttons on the side, whole battery comes out. Charge it up right here with a regular micro USB. It has lights on it. You hold it down. Well, it's not into the drone, but you would hold it down to turn it on. It'll tell you how much juice it has in the battery. And this kit also comes with an additional battery. So you get the drone, you get the radio, you get the nice case, and you get a second battery. This drone, I've flown mine several times now, and if you look on the website, you'll be able to see, actually, if you look on YouTube, you'll be able to see some video that I've uploaded, and I'll tag some along at the end of this video. You can see the clarity of the footage it takes. It's really pretty amazing. But that's all we got for now. So thanks for watching.